Here I have ONEPLUS 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the battery section, and here you can enable power saving mode. You can also change default optimizations for this mode, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen off to 15 seconds, you can disable background synchronization, and you can also lower the screen refresh rate. You can set it to turn off automatically when device is 19% charged, at least 19%. And you can also set it to turn on at a specific battery level, which you can set up yourself, which means like at 20% battery, power saving mode will be enabled automatically. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.